dashboard where you can choose to educate or be an author or learn. If you go into your profile here, you have your learner, your educator, and your author details. Going onto here, you can add in your credit card details and your date and your time, and it will automatically check whether or not the bank details are right. Furthermore, you can go into the Learn page. You can have access to all different kinds of courses here. Here is the last watch chapter with the percentage of what you've done. You have access to your catalog with object-oriented programming, web development, machine learning, virtual reality, AI, and script languages. Going forward, you can resume here, have a look at the course overview, the difficulty level, the author of the course, analytics, beautiful analytics of what you have accomplished, and the list of chapters. And going into the classroom, you can choose your classroom here. Let's say this is a template, but let's say that your company created a classroom, and here you have enrolled with the following assignments and the important dates. Now, going back here, we also get the catalog where you can search for different courses and apply. And let's go back to the Root dashboard and let's go to virtual reality on the web. Now here we get a course on VR. All right, now if we go to the exercise 4, for example, one of the questions that we have is to use this code syntax to inspire us to start writing code after we've read the introduction. And that tells us that that was an error. And if we press submit, we see nice task. Your answer is correct. Using machine learning, we understand if the student's answer is correct or incorrect. Now, the following question tells us that we have to create a certain box. And we put that in here after reading the instructions. And just to show you that here, when we press submit, we now will preview the answer. And according to the question, we had to add something called scale, which means to make bigger or smaller in this box. So here we see that we've got position, rotation, and color. And we also have to add scale. And let's see, you forgot to scale a box attribute. So we have to write scale equals and that's for the X, Y, and Z direction. If we press submit, I believe that the box is now out of view. So I'll just make it a little bit easier to see there and press preview. And we see the box there. And if I just scale it in the X direction, what does that look like? Just got a little bit fatter, and let's full screen that one. And you see this button here? Well, if we had a VR headset, we could go straight into VR and visualize our algorithm on command. So going forward, we have many more exercises, and soon you'll see a whole forest and different animations of these moving blocks and everything like that. And the learning outcome is to create virtual reality software. Now, this is one of the courses. We also go through advanced machine learning, machine vision, as well as object-oriented programming, Python, basically everything that companies are demanding when it comes to digitalization, everything that institutions are demanding, and they don't have right now. There is no supply when it comes to digitalization for their students. That is what we provide at the moment. And that is the huge demand that we are meeting in the market. Okay, we have a lot more to show you. There's also the educator dashboard. We have not gone over how you track the student's progress. And we have not gone over the author dashboard as well. But those are secrets at the moment, and we need to keep them a bit under wraps. We'll be happy to present those secret technologies to you in person. And we will be performing machine learning workshops with the head of Telenor research scientist for AI. We're also partnered with the Startup Lab at Forskningsparken to perform different machine learning workshops for them. And we'll also be providing React.js content at companies demanding for high skill tech being taught to their employees. Thank you for listening, and please stay tuned for more YouTube videos following up.